Good morning and welcome to the first day of the 12th annual Rocket City Weather Fest. My name is Adam Weiner and I'm one of the co-chairs and the technical lead for this year's virtual event. Today, I'm here to present the first weather briefing for this year's event. Taking a look at the upper level water vapor imagery, we can see across the area that we have actually an upper level trough over the eastern half of the country, which is responsible for the cooler and drier weather that we have present across the area. Taking a look at the visible satellite, we can see the cloud cover that is present over the area, as well as across Mississippi, Louisiana, and surrounding areas. Looking here at a vertical profile of the atmosphere estimated by the RAP model, with the red line being temperature and the blue line being dew point, we can see clearly where our cloud layer lies, which is between about 5,000 feet above sea level and around 1,700 feet above sea level. Keep in mind that the Upstorm Student Organization will be launching a weather balloon today starting at 11:45. And from that, you'll likely see this cloud layer once the sounding is complete later in the afternoon. Taking a look at the surface observations from the berm site located at the Swirl building on the UAH campus, we can see temperatures are currently 45 degrees. And in fact, temperatures have not varied much since sunset yesterday. With the cloud cover being present over the area and expected to remain present throughout the day, which we can see here on the forecast with this saturated layer remaining present throughout the remainder of the day as expected by the model, temperatures will likely not vary too much. Forecast guidance is showing a forecast high around 53. However, with the cloud cover and a northerly flow over the area keeping cool and dry air flowing in, I would anticipate temperatures will likely end up maxing out between 50 and 54 for today. I should also mention, taking a look at the surface map, we have high pressure and control centered across the Great Lakes region, which is helping to maintain northerly flow over the area, and subsequently cold air is continuing to move in. For tonight, we have high pressure remaining in control, and the upper level trough that I showed on the satellite will move slowly eastward. We should expect clouds to gradually break up towards dawn. However, depending on how quickly those clouds break up, will modulate how low our temperatures might get, with forecast guidance showing a low of around 40, although the national blend indicates that there's a standard deviation of 4 degrees, so anywhere between 36 and 44 is what the model is suggesting. Like I said before, if clouds break up sooner, then perhaps we can get below 40. However, if the clouds hold on until closer to daybreak, then perhaps temperatures will only end up in the low 40s. And that's it. That is it for today's weather briefing. We look forward to the coming days and hope you enjoy this year's Rocket City Weather Fest. Thank you.